Alright, for question 2, chapter 8 quiz of the study plan, we have a forklift pushes a 100-kilogram crate starting from rest with a horizontal force of magnitude F. The graph in the figure shows the x component of the force as a function of time. What is the instantaneous velocity of the crate at time? T equals 10 seconds. So we're gonna go with impulse, which is -10, 5. This is very similar. Let me space. Let me just. No. Okay. So impulse, which is gonna be -10, 5, 0.5, -10, 5 equals -50, -25 equals 175 meters squared, like it's kilograms. So the impulse is mass equals mass over velocity. So it's going to be velocity equals -75 over 100, which equals 0.75 meters squared. So our answer is going to be